Hey guys, so today I'm going to be testing out my old thermostat that I just pulled off my car. This is the new one that I purchased at the store. And as if you can see by the looks of it, they look exactly identical. Except this one doesn't have the ring yet, the old ring. But see, everything looks like, you know, it looks like the new one, like it's functioning right. But the real test we're going to do here is we got some boiling water here. We're going to get it up to 180. And according to my car's manual, at 180, it should start opening. And at 203 Fahrenheit, it should be fully open. And we're gonna measure the valve lift with my measuring tape here. That way we can see if it's functioning or not, okay? So bear with me. Let's check the temperature right now and see what we're looking at. There it is. We have hit 180. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put this in there, okay? We're gonna drop it in there, and what I'm gonna do is use a little spoon to drop it in there. That way, an old spoon that I don't really use, okay? That way it doesn't make a big old splash. I'm looking for any movement. Okay. And let's check the temperature right now, because once it hits 203, we're gonna get it out. 190. Let's go ahead and turn it up to high. That way we can get it to the finish line. All right, we're officially at 203, but just to make sure, I'm gonna let it hit 204, and there it is. So that's plenty of time for it to have opened up to let out coolant. That's what happens with your vehicle when it hits a certain temperature. It's gonna open, the thermostat's gonna open up, the valve lift is gonna open to let out coolant and cool your car off. All right, so let me put this thermostat down. We got up to 207. I'm gonna turn this off, and then we're gonna pull it out, okay, and see what it did. All right. Alright guys, I'm gonna look up the measurements of how much lift it should have had, and I'll get back with you guys, okay? But by the looks of it, if you can see, it still looks the same as the new one. So it looks like it didn't do any kind of lift, really, if I'm being honest with you guys. So that means it failed. It should have moved. But let me look up the statistics, the data. It's telling me to measure it before I started, and I did, and it was 3/4 of an inch. And it's saying the 2.4 liter, which is mine, the 4-cylinder, it should be at 203 degrees. It should have lifted 0.33 inches or more. Okay, so let's measure it. Okay, so remember, I did this one, and it was 3/4. Okay, and this one is basically the same thing. So basically, I mean, it didn't even move. It didn't do any lift of any kind. From there to there, see that? From there to there, 3/4 of an inch. Here, from there to there, 3/4 of an inch. The same thing, you see that? Should have opened up, but it didn't. From here, just in case I'm measuring wrong, from there to there is 1 inch. From here to there is 1 inch as well. So yeah, this old one looks exactly identical to this that hasn't even been in hot water. So that's definitely a problem. This one is stuck closed, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's stuck closed. Let's do it again. 3/4 of an inch. This is the new one that I bought. 3/4 of an inch. Okay, 1 inch and 1 inch. So there you go. There should have been some type of change with this. So I consider this faulty, and we're gonna replace it, okay? And I'll have another video showing you guys how to replace it, all the steps I took to get to this point. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.